Good morning to everyone. I hope you all are fine. This is Kavita. I am here to share my information on the topic transportation in humans. Okay, children, anyone can tell what is generally the term transportation means? Yes, transportation is nothing but the movement of goods, animals, or humans from one location to another location by any means like train, car, bus, aeroplane, etc. So now you wonder what is being transported in our body. So as we all know that our body is made up of cells. So cells require oxygen, nutrients for its survival, and it will also produce waste products such as carbon dioxide. So all these things like carbon dioxide, oxygen, nutrients has to be transported throughout our body. So what is the system which is responsible for transportation in our body? So it is called as circulatory system, or it is also known as cardiovascular system. Why it is called as cardiovascular? Because it also involves heart in it. So it is also called cardiovascular system. Now we'll know about the components which are responsible for the transportation. The components which are involved in the blood circulatory system are heart, blood vessels, and blood. All these three components will comprise the blood circulatory system. Now we will learn about each and every component in detail. First, we'll see about the blood vessels. Okay, what is a blood vessel? Blood vessels are tubular-like structures, tube-like structures which carry blood in it. So in our body we can see three types of blood vessels. First one is artery, then vein, and the third one is capillary. Okay, now we'll see about arteries. Arteries are the blood vessels which always carry oxygenated blood, and the exception is pulmonary artery which carry deoxygenated blood. Okay, now arteries always carry blood from the heart to all other parts of the body. So as the pressure of the heart is more while pumping the blood into the arteries, so the walls of the arteries are always thick to exert the pressure which is created by the heart. Now we'll see about the veins. Veins always carry deoxygenated blood, means the blood which is rich in carbon dioxide and less in oxygen. Now, these veins always carry blood from all over the body part into the heart. So, as there is no pressure in it, the walls of the veins are thin as compared to the arteries. Now there is an exception here also. The pulmonary vein will carry oxygenated blood. Okay. Now we'll see about the third blood vessel which is capillary. So capillaries are very thin tube-like structures which is responsible for transfer of materials from the blood to the cells. These are very thin. You may imagine it as a single cell tubes which are helped in exchange of gases from the blood to the cell directly. Now what happens is arteries are divided into arterioles, then to capillaries. Here the exchange of gases takes place, and then these capillaries are converted into venules and then to veins. So this was about our blood vessels. Now we will know about our another component of circulatory system, which is blood. So blood is a fluid content which is present in our body which passes through these blood vessels. Okay, now blood is composed of RBCs, WBCs, platelets and plasma. So RBCs are also known as erythrocytes. So it contains hemoglobin in it, which is responsible for carrying of oxygen. Okay, now comes the another part of the blood, which is WBC, white blood cells. These are also called as leukocytes. These are responsible for providing immunity to our body. Now are the platelets, which are responsible for clotting of our blood. Now another one is the plasma, which is responsible for the floating of these cellular components in it. Means it acts as a matrix. Okay, so this was about our blood. Okay, now for today this is enough. In the next session we'll further continue our topic. In the next session we'll see about the another component of our blood circulatory system, that is heart, in detail. Okay, thank you for now.